Blissful morning to my young and dynamic SRNs and mentors. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all. Cognizance in itself is a heavy word that brings with a lot of responsibilities that you all in this have to shoulder. In the present scenario, where all of us, including our leaders, are blindfolded by the darkness of the rising unjust practices that the world is being degraded by. We also look at the rising sun that gives us a ray of hope, the youth. The youth that views as fresh as the new flower and thoughts flexible, who are aware of the past and present and can foresee the future, is perfect to make changes and accept them. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tunes without the words and never stops at all. The whole world is praising the efforts that are being made by Corona warriors to ensure everyone's safety. These people have been tirelessly working to deliver essential services to us. The communities of these workers should be given applause for their selfless service. From the housekeeping workers, nurses, security personnel to doctors who all are standing on all fronts and are working day and night for their country. We should encourage them for their selfless service when most people are sitting at their comfort. It's because of the Corona warriors that the nation is being able to control the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's salute these heroes. Jai Hind.
My name is Sanjana Upala and I am studying in SRN International School. And today I am going to tell a short speech on Corona warriors. Doctors, policemen, paramedics and others engaged in the fight against coronavirus are called Corona warriors. We must all salute these people. The bravery with which India is fighting is truly admirable. We must all stand with these Corona warriors and stand with the families. Thank you.
In this valiant battle for humanity's future, you, Corona warriors, are at the forefront. Your undiluted courage, selflessness, determination and focus have ensured that India remains on track in these difficult times. Placing yourselves at great risk as doctors, nurses, paramedics, sanitation workers, police personnel, essential supplies workers, bank staff and government employees, you have ensured that we remain safe. We remain comfortable and are well taken care of. You have tirelessly and with deep dedication displayed an unshakable faith and conviction that Corona can be defeated and that India and humanity will ultimately triumph. Your actions in these warlike times are deeply inspiring. We pour our hearts' gratitude and thankfulness before you. We salute your determination and grit. India shall be safe and remain victorious in this fight against COVID-19 because of your selfless toil and sacrifice. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone, my name is Alvey Barwa. I am from class 4 and today on United Nations Day I am going to salute the COVID warriors. New babies have stepped into the world even during the pandemic. We are getting our daily food even during the pandemic. We can sleep at night securely even during the pandemic. Our surroundings and societies are still clean even during the pandemic. How has this been possible? A set of selfless people have emerged in the form of doctors, police, army, and many more who have worked for us at the cost of their lives. I salute them from the bottom of my heart and draw inspiration from them. Thank you.
There are many entities that aim for conflicts, but only one entity aims for peace, the United Nations. Since its inspection in 1945, United Nations have worked aggressively for the well-being of human societies worldwide. UN Day is celebrated every year on October 24 to express gratitude towards UN for its good deeds. 3 years later, in 1948, UN decided to celebrate its birthday, October 24, as UN Day. It recommended its member states to declare national holidays on the day, though it wasn't forced upon any country. It's an unarguable fact that without United Nations, we would already have seen third major global catastrophe. UN is a necessity, and we should have a day to commemorate this fact.
I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you to Corona Warriors. It means a lot. Thank you, Corona Warriors. It's immense to see the service that you have provided. We are safe. Credit goes to all the frontline workers. Thank you so much. With the lockdown, I felt safe and informed because Corona Warriors were on duty. Heartfelt thank you. It feels extremely beautiful to see you working tirelessly in the service of the nation. You deserve a big thank you. Salute the courage and energy of Corona Warriors. Feel like God has taken the avatar in form of Corona Warriors. Thank you.
You, me, everyone is sitting at home safely. But we all are acknowledged that there's a war going on. A war against a non-living thing. Much more tiny than a dust particle. A virus, yes. A virus is the biggest threat to fight against. And this war against corona, we are safe at backside, but do we realize why so? Because of the corona warriors fighting for us on the front line. The unsung heroes of that get us through. All the nurses ensuring we have the care we need. The doctors fighting for our loved ones. And the policemen ensuring prevention against the corona. The teachers preventing our loss in the pandemic. The delivery drivers ensuring our safety. The farmers, the vigilating keepers, the grocery store workers and many more. To all the workers putting safety on the line for us. Thank you. And a big salute to them.
Hello everyone, myself Ashi Jain and I'm a student of SRN International School. Coronavirus pandemic is not just about the virus itself. It has brought with it hunger, loneliness, homelessness and violence. At such a time, there are people around the country rising to lead community work, bring support and service the people selflessly in different ways they can. These brave hearts are Corona warriors. There are many Corona warriors out there making an impact and contributing to community welfare. We salute all the Corona warriors in India who are writing a new chapter in humanity in this pandemic. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, my name is Sachi Kushlani, studying in class 9th Beacons at SRN International School. Today I'm going to be giving a tribute to Corona warriors. Every endeavor is covered by some fault, just as fire is covered by smoke. Therefore, one should not give up the work born to his nature, even if such work is full of faults. The Corona warriors fighting in front on the behalf of the humankind, performing their ordinated duty, have signaled the world that they are whole and supreme. They are the nature and the universal man. They are eternal, integral and fragmental parts of the Lord Jagannath. Hats off to all the Corona warriors for protecting the past, present and future. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Kimaya Gupta from class 12 Science Acers, and today I am here to thank the Corona warriors, all the great personalities who served us in the pandemic of Corona, such as doctors, police department, sanitization workers, PPE kit makers, food providers, and many others who were not even known to us. They served us by their selfless and priceless service. They risked their lives and stayed away from their families for weeks and even for months just to protect us. Today, I have got an opportunity to pay gratitude towards the compassionate service of Corona warriors. I would like to say thank you so much, respected Corona warriors. Jai Hind.
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद